Assalamu alaikum dear students. Guest paper Civics 2023 Karachi Board Civics 9 class Section B. Define civics in the words of E. M. White. Write any 5 demerits of democracy. Elaborate any 5 conditions necessary for acquiring citizenship. Mention the 5 duties of a caliph. Write 5 duties of Prime Minister of Pakistan. Write any 5 basic conditions or necessities for good governance. Write 5 important characteristics of the concept of millat in Islam. Write 5 qualities of a good citizen. State a definition of civics in the reference of J. F. Gould and Mabel Hill. Describe in short the duties of judiciary. State the definition of society in the light of two thinkers. Find out any 6 duties of a good citizen. Section C. Describe in detail importance of the study of civics in the modern age. Define society and discuss its importance. Write down the important principles of the foreign policy of Pakistan. State the definition and importance and purpose of family. Write a detailed note on any one of the following: dictatorship, purpose of an Islamic state, concept of Muslim Ummah, importance and objective of a family, information technology, functions of a state. So these are the important questions for 2023 examination, civics, class 9th, humanities